Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video and subscribe.
Hi, am I looking at you? Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. My name's Jim. This is my 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. I've had it about 4.5 years. I had a new one in 1970. I ordered it in Vietnam in 1969 through the military sales program. The car was picked up when I got out of this, back from Vietnam in 1971. I picked it up at Park Chrysler Plymouth in Chicago on Oak Park and North Avenue. I drove the car back and forth to North Carolina because I was still in the service for an additional year. I drove it 1,050 miles one way to come see my girlfriend at the time. After about a year, when I got out of the service, I kept it about 6 more months. It had 88,000 miles on it. I traded it in on a MGB, one of my dumbest moves I've ever made. I've made quite a few of them, but that was probably one of the dumbest. I always wanted another one. I looked at 3 or 4 of them. They weren't in very good shape. I found this one here in Spokane, Washington.
Hi, Tony.
I decided that
Italian today?
I'm going to fly there to look at it. I did. I really liked it. It looked good. It was in this condition. I went home. This was almost the exact same car I had before. The one I had before was a hard top. This one's a coupe. I'm not crazy about that, but one of my buddies told me, Jim, you don't have that much time to live. You better buy it and enjoy it while you can. So that's why I got it. My wife wasn't too happy when I got it home because her car had to come out of the garage. I told her I can't leave this outside. So she wasn't too happy. She reminds everybody all the time that her car sits outside. But it's a 1970 383 pistol grip 4-speed, just like I had before. It's a great car. I love it. This one's not as fast as the one I had, the new one. Plymouth used to advertise neck snapping acceleration. This one does not snap your neck, but I still love it. It's a beautiful car. I love to take it out. I love to get it home because then I know I made it. You know, it's got an air grabber hood, closed right now, but I can open it. And
then can we also see the engine?
Okay, I'll open it. .383 Coyote Duster. Like I say, it's I think the engine's a little tired. First one was much faster, but I'm not looking for fast anymore. Just cruising around now. So it's a great car to go to the car shows, get ice cream, get a couple beers, take the wife out.
There you go. Speaking of which, do you let her drive the car?
She does not drive the car because she does know how to drive stick shift, but she's afraid to drive it.
Sure.
I told her I'd teach her how to do it, but at this point she said no. I'd rather have her drive it because sometimes if something happens to me or something, she'll have to drive it home. But
Right.
she's not willing to learn how to drive it now. It does have power steering, so it's easy to drive.
And then it looks like you have the classic sound, am I correct? The Roadrunner sound?
It's got the Roadrunner horn, yes, the beep beep horn. The previous owner added air conditioning, which I've only used once, but it does work.
I don't want to walk around with these in my ears all day.
Works.
So
That is cool. That is cool. And then,
From the side.
oh, that is neat. That is neat. And then, can you lower it and raise it again? Can you- That is sweet. And your exhaust purrs.
Yeah, it's,
I mean, it really purrs,
yeah,
right?
It sounds good.
Can you rev it once? Or? Yeah, it's got that
I don't want-
perfect throaty sound.
I don't want to rev it too high because it needs new belts.
Aha, right.
I mean, I have the belts, but it's
Then all of a sudden they're falling off
no,
the.
that's what squeaks.
Gotcha.
That's why the thing squeaks like crazy. It's kind of embarrassing. I've changed the belts. I can't tell you how many times.
There you go.
Thanks for watching.
Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Enjoy the next video.